Hi there, Dory here again with the special for the month. I am so excited because I have a couple of things I want to offer you this month. One is the recipes for success. You're going to receive 10 modules. This is specific training for your team members. And remember, in the featured segment, I spoke about how to build a high performance team. Well, this training is designed specifically for your team so they can become a high performance team. But here's the special for the month. I'm also going to give you the Soaring Ahead series. This is 12 modules designed for leaders. So this is training for you as a CEO, a leader, a manager, director, and this is for your team. They are both very essential to your success. So what I'm doing is I'm offering you both of them for only $199. So all you have to do is go to the InSPArationManagement.com website, and right from the home page you can see the Coach Me. Click on it and you'll be able to see both pages and sign up. The first module again for the recipes for success is going to be on February 6th. So make sure you go and sign up so you can join me for the first module and get your team going on the right track for this year. So that's the first special. The second special I'm doing for you is for the Leap Ahead seminar. I don't know if you're aware, but literally thousands of people have graduated from this seminar. This is a 3-day event. And I have a free webinar that you can go and watch on it. Again, all you have to do is go to InSPArationManagement.com and click on seminars, and you'll be able to see the Leap Ahead page. On this page, you'll be able to find out all the things that you will receive when you attend the Leap Ahead. This event will give you the blueprint that you need to operate your business successfully. It's definitely a must-have binder, and you must attend the 3-day if you're serious about making a difference in your business. So in addition to the 3 days, you're going to leave with the budget. You're going to leave with the compensation model. I had the CD here. Oh, it's actually over here. Let me grab it. We don't do CDs anymore, by the way. We do USB. So on this USB, you're going to receive the budget. You're going to receive the compensation model, a marketing plan. You're also going to receive the Don't Sell, Recommend, and the team building and the guest relations training for your reception department. So all that comes with the Leap Ahead seminar. So I am doing a special for you this month, and you will receive $500 off the actual price. So go to the page on InSPArationManagement.com and sign up so you can join us and get this blueprint for success. Don't delay. It's February. This is a great time to come to this event because you have the whole year to make a difference in your business. So I hope to see you soon. Until next time, stay inspired.